Speedy Wash A225 LX. Speedy Wash A225 LX. Completely autonomous and easy to use. Available with electric start gasoline or diesel engines and 2-speed hydrostatic traction. Also, this model includes double controls, allowing operators to work in 2 directions for double the productivity. A patented traction system with a 5th wheel mounted centrally under the base drives the machine and allows it to turn on a dime, easily reaching difficult corners to be washed. A custom trailer allows distributors and contract washers to easily transport this and other suitably equipped Speedy Wash models to be used for demos and contract cleaning to and from a customer's lot. Setup or downtime is 5 minutes fast.